Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you're all doing well. So before I get into the nail art part of this video, I just wanted to give a quick shout out to Vicky from Glitter Sparkle Nail Design. As you can see here, I've got this beautiful set of Louis Vuitton nails on. These are custom made press-ons from Vicky. She is starting to sell her own press-on nails, so I thought I'd just show you guys a set that she's done for me. They are incredibly beautiful, as you can see, super bright, super neon, super me, and I really love them. They look absolutely gorgeous. I'm getting used to the length. I've never had nails on this long before, but I really like them and I thought I'd just show you guys. So if you'd like to buy a set of custom press-ons from Vicky, please contact her. I will leave her details down in the description box below. I believe she said her prices are ranging from maybe £20 or £25. I'm not entirely sure, but pop her a message if you're interested and she'll be able to help you. But other than that, I hope you'll enjoy the video. If you do, please like and subscribe. And yeah, today I'm going to be having a little play of neon pigments, so I hope you enjoy. Bye!